So today, Klay is taking me on another adventure and we're going fishing.
We're going fishing.
This is my sailor suit because this is the captain and I'm
No, that's right.
the first mate.
That's right.
Bag is so cute.
I'm in my element. I got my queen on board. Of course I feel cool. I'm the coolest guy in this harbor. That's for like you look. It's so cute. Let's go.
Okay. What's this called, baby?
This is a line. This rope. This is a cleat.
Hold on 1 sec.
All right. Let me take the rope.
Jump in. Right there.
Safety first.
Fact. Arrow Point, Emerald Bay, Eagle Reef, Cherry Cove. Let's go there.
So, Klay Thompson and Meagan the Stallion are going out for fishing. So let's go on this boat ride or together. Yeah, everyone, you're the third person in this boat, so there are two, so we are you're the third person. So Klay Thompson, boat day with Bay, keep the haters away, mark my words. I will land a big fish before the off season is over. I will manifest it. And in the comment section, and he's saying that is all you need is a man that actually likes you. And I say the entire thread just brings a big smile to my face for them. And I also saying them being staged, be the best we be all infested. Now he's saying I love seeing black life. I can't wait to find my queen and live like this. So anyway, that is it. Comment down below in my comment section. Love you all. Bye bye and ciao ciao.
This looks like a motherfucking wrestling suit.
You know.
That boy is Aquaman.
That's work. Fishes won't be able to see me coming through the kelp, man.
Ain't your friend.